Hi, this is Joy with Enjoy It Healthy, and I have a very simple granola recipe today, and I'm using Forever Beautiful mix by Your Super. Your Super mixes are so great. They're so versatile. You can cook with them, you can bake with them, you can throw them in your smoothies, sprinkle them on your yogurt or whatever you do. They're so nice to incorporate in your foods that you already eat. If you need inspiration, they even have Your Super cookbook, which has amazing recipes in it, as well as recipes on their website. And then there are people like me who just love to experiment with them and incorporate them in my own recipes. So I love to share that with you. Okay, here's how you make the granola. Let's mix our dry ingredients first. We've got 2 cups of rolled oats, so not the instant ones. It's organic, preferably. And then I have just a bunch of different things. Now, I'll have all the amounts in there, and you can vary them up as much as you want. You put your favorite stuff in there, and I'm doing some of my favorite things. Okay, so we've got some walnuts, sliced almonds. I've got a cup of shredded unsweetened coconut. I love that stuff. I'm doing dark chocolate. These are by Lily's. I love chocolate, so I'm going to do that. And then I have a mix of dried fruit, so Goji Berries and Mulberries and golden raisins, so I'm throwing that in there. I love Goji Berries. Very healthy for you. And then I have some hemp hearts, also loaded with protein. That's some good stuff there, and I love when they get nice and toasted up. Okay, so the last dry ingredient I'm going to add is this Forever Beautiful mix by Your Super. It has chia seeds, acai, maki, acerola, maca, and blueberries. And I'm going to put in a good couple tablespoons in there, maybe 3 tablespoons. Okay, so we've got our dry ingredients, and I'm going to mix those up. And then let's do the wet. So I'm going to give my dry ingredients just a good toss. For the wet ingredients, I've got 2 tablespoons of melted organic refined coconut oil. That's a mouthful. Okay, so I'm also going to add about, I'm not even going to measure, I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of maple syrup. I make this with honey sometimes, or brown rice syrup sometimes, but we're going to say about 2 tablespoons. I'm also going to, mostly because I ran out of cinnamon, straight cinnamon, you can add powdered cinnamon right to the dry mix, but I didn't have any, so I am adding, and I love to do this, and it's got quite the cinnamon punch, but this is by doTerra, and it's a cinnamon bark oil. I'm just going to do 1 tiny drop. Very potent stuff. Okay, then I have 2 egg whites. Whisk that up together, and then we're just going to, now if you wanted to make this vegan, because with egg whites it's not vegan, certainly you can use an egg white substitute like Aquafaba or something like that. Maybe just soak a couple tablespoons of chia seeds in there. Okay, we're going to mix this up. I have a preheated 325-degree oven, and I just simply spread that mix on the sheet in a nice flat layer, and I put it in there. It took about, let's see, 15, I checked on it after 15 minutes, and then did 2 more rounds of 5 minutes, just sort of, you know, moving them around in between so all the pieces got the same amount of toastiness on them. Once they're completely cool, I just like to scoop them right into a mason jar, and that way they stay airtight with the lid, and they're also perfect for sharing with a friend. Well, thank you so much for watching. The ingredients and amounts that I used are going to be down below, but again, it's super versatile, and I hope you enjoy it. For more information on my recipes and my product line, please visit enjoyithealthy.com.